Hi, my name's Alice and this is my sister Maddie, and together with our mum we started the houseplant shop Forest.
Hi, I'm Fran from Forest. I'm really excited to be working with my daughters Alice and Maddie this year at the Chelsea Flower Show. We've done a number of RHS shows before. We always love exhibiting at them, but this is the very first year that we'll be doing Chelsea. I'm very excited about that and really great that houseplants are finally going to be represented at Chelsea. So the look of our exhibit is going to be really tropical rainforest. So as you enter into the stand, into the display, there will be trees with beautiful trailing plants, a little bit like this gorgeous lepismium. We'll have lots of air plants like this tillandsia, be decorating the trees. There'll be a really sort of humid, jungly vibe. And then plants a little bit like this Senecio as well, all trailing down from the canopy of the rainforest. That's going to be the look, and I think it's going to look great. We've really enjoyed sourcing all these fantastic plants. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name's Caro and I'm one half of the biophilic design studio Roco, which is based in Margate in Kent. Our design for Chelsea Flower Show 2021, which we're so excited about, is called the Zen Cabin. So many people living in cities and towns don't have their own garden or balcony or any outside space to play with. More than ever now, I think people are starting to turn to houseplants to transform their homes and create little pockets of greenery so that they have moments of relaxation and productivity and sanctuary. With the planting inside the Zen Cabin, we're going to bring basically one of each of all of our favourite houseplants. So we're kind of planning on filling the cabin as much as we can. Things like the Clivia, Pilia peperomioids, which I know a lot of people love. Obviously the Monstera has to come. Vines like Pothos, Scindapsus, ferns, asparagus fern, maybe a Boston fern, cacti, succulents. It's going to be mad. It's going to be absolutely full of plants, and what we really want is for visitors to be able to come in one by one, find their way through the plants and just spend a few minutes inside the space, really taking in that feeling of being absolutely sort of devoured by plants, like you might feel if you were in a tropical rainforest. So we really look forward to meeting lots of you there and inviting you into the Zen Cabin in order to find a moment of peace and connection with houseplants and with nature.
Conservatory Archives encapsulates the endless joy and fascination that having plants indoors can create. Our Green Bathroom Retreat will demonstrate how to create a curiously exotic botanical paradise in the smallest room of your home. A bath, industrial sinks and mid-century furniture will provide a frame in which plants can dwell and the slow transition from light to shadow can be played with. Seen from close-up, there will be areas of wildness, blinding greens, hidden sinks and teeming shelves, but at the correct distance. You are made aware of a distinct atmospheric speciality, found spacing, captivating your mood and curiosity.
Hi, I'm Lee, I'm from Malvern. Every year we supply all of the garden rooms for the plateau area at the Chelsea Flower Show.
Hi, I'm Ian Drummond from Indoor Garden Design and really excited to be back at Chelsea again this year. Working on a design, the green room, which is going to be a space for houseplants to hang out.
So Ian, tell me more about your design.
So from the outside, the garden building is going to look like it's in a macrame hanger. It's going to be like an oversized macrame planter. The rope's going to be of really, really bright, vibrant pink. It's going to be really eye-catching. It's going to be something quite special.
Yeah, and what's it going to look like inside?
The idea for the inside is really to create a green room. It's a VIP experience for houseplants. Plants that we've worked with in the past on really fabulous projects, and we really want to celebrate those houseplants. So yes, we really want to encourage people to interact in the space. We've got a bright pink rope seat that's going to be swinging, where we're going to encourage people to come in and sit within the seat, plants hanging around them, a carpet of moss underneath them. neon lights running through it. There's going to be humidifiers letting off steam. It's going to be quite a special space.
That sounds great. Really looking forward to seeing that. So come and see us on the plateau in September at the Chelsea Flower Show.